You all know the rules.
Dream Factory! Only a few more hours left to finish the Steamport School Racer for the Rock and Road Race.
First across the finish line with their wheels on the ground wins.
Watch me pass that trash can on wheels.
Ready, set, go!
Let's go! Woo! We've got snaggly woods. There's lots of low branches. But we won't forget to... duck! Next is Race-Wrecker Rocks. We can use the pogo stick springs to bounce the racer over the rocks.
Hang on. See you in our dust.
Biff and Tiff are stuck. We can't leave them up there. We'd have to fly to the finish line to beat those racers now. Join the cars together and fly to the finish line.
Okay, everyone, buckle up.